Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing about the JEE mechanical question paper which held on 4th April 2020. So our first question is, before watching my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. So let's start. Our first question is, the divergent portion of a venturimeter is made of longer than convergent portion in order to. Correct option is both A and B. That is, avoid the tendency of breaking away the stream of liquid and to minimize frictional losses. Second question is, the magnitude of the water hammer depends upon the. Correct option is all of these. It depends upon the elastic properties of the pipe material, it depends upon the elastic properties of the liquid flowing through the pipe, and it also depends upon the speed at which the valve is closed. Third question is, 1 poise is equal to. Correct option is A, Newton second per meter square. Next question is, in an inward reaction turbine, correct option is C, the water enters the wheel at the outer periphery and then flows towards the center of the wheel. Next is fifth question, the cavitation in a hydraulic machine, correct option is D, all of these. It causes a noise and vibration of various parts, reduce the discharge of a turbine and causes sudden drop in power output and efficiency. So all of these will be the correct option. Next question is, which of the following statement is wrong? Correct option is B, the angle of, D is the correct option here. A Francis turbine is an impulse turbine. Next question is, multi-stage centrifugal pumps are used to. Correct option is B, produce high heads. Eighth question is, slip of a reciprocating pump is negative when. Correct option is D, suction pipe is longer and delivery pipe is short and the pump is running at high speed. Ninth question is, if the net positive suction head NPSH requirement for the pump is not satisfied, then cavitation will be formed. B is the correct option. Next, 10th question is, a hydraulic press is a device used. So it is a device used to lift larger load by the application of a comparatively much smaller force. C is the correct option here. Next is, which of the following hydraulic unit is used for transmitting increased or decreased torque to the driven shaft? Correct option is C, hydraulic torque converter. Next question is, when the gas is heated at constant volume, the heat supplied. Correct option is both A and B. D is the correct option, both A and B. A option is increase the internal energy of the gas and B is increase the temperature of the gas. Okay. So next, 13th question is, when the gas is cooled at constant pressure. So correct option is D, both temperature and volume decreases. Next, 14th question is, the heat absorbed or rejected by the working substance is given by. Correct option is A, delta Q is equal to 2 into ds. A is the correct option here. Next question is, the condition for reversibility of a cycle is. Correct option is all of these. The pressure and temperature of the working substance must not differ appreciably from those of the surroundings at any stage in the process. All the processes taking place in the cycle of operation must be extremely slow and the working parts of the engine must be friction free. So all of these, D is the correct option here. Next question is, select the wrong statement. So here correct option is A, a Joule cycle consists of 2 constant volume and 2 isentropic processes. It is the wrong statement. So here A will be the correct option. Next, 17th question is, the object of producing draught in a boiler is. Correct option is A, to provide an adequate supply of air for the fuel consumption. Next question is, in a receiver type compound engine, the high pressure and low pressure cylinders, correct option is C, have separate piston rods. 19th question is, cut off governing as compared to throttle governing is. Correct option is D, more efficient and more economical. 20th question is, the efficiency of steam turbines may be improved by. Correct option is D, all of these. It improved by the reheating of steam, it improved by the regenerative feed heating, it improved by the binary vapor plant. So here D will be the correct option. 21st question is, reheating of steam in a turbine. Correct option is D, all of these. Next, Stoichiometric ratio is correct option is B, chemically correct air fuel ratio by volume. 23rd question is the compression, ignition engines are governed by qualitative governing, so here B will be the correct option. 24th question is pre-ignition is caused by the spontaneous combustion of the mixture before the end of the compression stroke and is due to, all of these will be the correct option here, D will be the correct option. Next question is the basic requirement of a good combustion chamber is, correct option is C, high thermal efficiency and power output. 26th question is the object of supercharging the engine is, correct option is D, all of these. 27th question is as compared to air standard cycle in actual working, the effect of variation in the specific heats is to reduce maximum pressure and maximum temperature, so here B will be the correct option. Next question is the compressor capacity is defined as, the correct option is B, volume of air delivered by the compressor. Okay, so here B will be the correct option. I have series B. You can match the questions and check your answers accordingly. Okay, which of the following statement is correct? So correct option is B, the compression ratio for the compressor is always greater than unity. Okay, 30th question का मुझे correct answer नहीं पता है. If you know the correct answer, that comment it in the comment box. And which of the following statement is wrong? So here 31st का है आपका D is the correct option here, none of these. Next question is a turboprop is preferred to turbojet because, so here correct option is D, it has high power for takeoff. Next question is the amount of heat flow through a body by conduction is, correct option is D, all of these. Next question is the critical radius is the insulation radius at which the resistance to heat flow is, correct option is B, minimum. Next question is fouling factor is used, correct option is A, in heat exchanger design as a safety factor. Next question is Reynolds number Rn is given by, so here correct option is C, rho VL upon mu, so here C will be the correct option. Next question is when alpha is absorptivity and rho is reflectivity and torque is the transmittivity, then for a diathermanous body, correct option is C, alpha is equal to 0 and here rho is equal to 0 and tau is equal to 1. Next is a condenser of refrigeration system rejects heat at the rate of 120 kilowatt while its compressor consumes a power of 30 kilowatt. The coefficient of performance of the system will be, correct option is D, 4. Next question is the expression Q is equal to rho at raised to the power 4 is called, correct option is Stefan-Boltzmann equation. So here B is the correct option. Next question is the formation of frost on cooling coils in a refrigerator, correct option is C, increases power consumption. 41 question is the process of undercooling is generally brought about by, correct option is D, all of these. Next question is the undesirable property of a refrigerant is, correct option is D, high boiling point. 43rd question is the reciprocating refrigerant compressors are very suitable for, correct option is C, small displacements and high condensing pressures. Next question is 44th question is the critical pressure of a liquid is the pressure, so correct option is A, above which a liquid will remain a liquid. Next question is 45th question, according to Dalton's law of partial pressures, correct option is B, PB is equal to PA plus PV. Next question is relative humidity is given by, correct option is C. C is the correct option here. Next question is the process generally used in summer air conditioning to cool and to dehumidify the air is called, correct option is cooling and dehumidification. D is the correct option. Next question is in spray washing system, if the temperature of water is higher than the dry bulb temperature of entering air, then the air is, correct option is B, heated humidified. Next 49th question is the pair is known as a higher pair when the relative motion between the elements of a pair is, correct option is D, partly turning and partly sliding. Next question is the Coriolis component of acceleration depends upon, correct option is both A and B, that is both velocity of slider and angular velocity of the link. Next question is The maximum fluctuation of energy is the correct option is A, difference between the maximum and minimum energies. Next question is the swaying couple is maximum or minimum when the angle of inclination of the crank to the line of stroke theta is equal to. Correct option is B, 45 degree and 225 degree. Next question is 53rd question is under logarithmic decrement the amplitude of the successive vibrations are. Correct option is C, in geometric progression. Next question is an aluminium member is designed on the basis of. Correct option is A, yield stress. Next question is a flanked pipe joint will be a leak proof if the circumferential pitch of the bolts is. Correct option is C. Next question is the size of a cam depends upon. Correct option is A, base circle. Next question is the difference between the tooth space and the tooth thickness is as measured on the pitch circle is called. Correct option is C, face width. Next question is when the steel is normalized its. Correct option is D, all of these. Next 59th question is which of the following has a fine gold color and is used for imitation jewelry. Correct option is B, aluminium bronze. Correct option is B, aluminium bronze. Next question is quenching is not necessary when hardening is done by. Correct option is C, nitriding. Next 61st question is the metal extrusion process is generally used for producing. Correct option is C, uniform solid and hollow sections. Next 62nd question is in a simple die. Correct option is none of these here. Next question is in TIG or welding in TIG arc welding the welding zone is shielded by an atmosphere of. Correct option is either A or B. Next question is in forehand welding the weld is made. Correct option is from right to left. B is the correct option. Next question is side relief angle of a single point tool is the angle. Correct option is C, between the surface of the flank immediately below the point and a plane at right angles to the center line of the point tool. 66th question is which of the following statement is wrong. Correct option is D, the ceramic tools can withstand temperature up to 600 degrees Celsius only. Next question is the lip clearance angle is the angle formed by the. Correct option is B, flank and a plane at right angles to a drill axis. Next question is the main purpose of a boring operation as compared to drilling is to. Correct option is D, enlarge the existing hole. Next question is 69th question the tool life in case of a grinding wheel is the time. Correct option is C, taken between two successive wheel dressings. Next 70th question is a process of removing metal by pushing or pulling a cutting tool is called. Correct option is A, up milling. Next question is string diagram is used. Correct option is A, for checking the relative values of various layouts. Next question is break even analysis is a. Correct option is A, short term analysis. Next question is military type of organization is known as. Correct option is A, line organization. Next question is process layout is also known as analytical layout. So here A will be the correct option again. Next question is 75th question. 75th question at the correct sequence of phases in value engineering is. Correct option is A, creative phase, after that information phase, after that investigation phase and after that evaluation phase. So here A will be the correct option. Next question is the three basic cylinder arrangements for automotive engines are. Correct option is C, inline, V and opposed. 77th question is the function of a second ring is that it is a. Correct option is B, compression ring aids the top ring in sealing and cooling. Next 78th question is the diagram which shows the correct crank positions corresponding to the opening and closing of the valves is known as. Correct option is C, valve timing diagram. Next question is in a 4-speed 4-stroke diesel engine the intake valve. Correct option is B, opens at 20 degree before TDC and closes at 35 degree after BDC. Next question 80th question is the device for smoothing out the power impulses from the engine is called. Correct option is flywheel. C is the correct option. Next question is engine misfiring is likely to result from. Correct option is B, spark plug too wide. Next question is the main cause for the change in engine oil viscosity is. Correct option is B, temperature. Next question is the commonly used antifreeze solution in automobiles is ethylene glycol. B is the correct option here. Next question is the correct flow of power through the drivetrain is, correct option is engine, clutch, main shaft, counter shaft, final, driven, gear, drive shaft, wheels. So here B is the correct option. Next question is two advantages of using helical gears rather than spur gears in a transmission system are, correct option is C, noise level and strength. Next question is the basic purpose of a four-wheel drive 4WD system is that it, correct option is C, ensure effective transmission of engine torque to all four wheels even on slippery road surfaces. C is the correct option. Next question is the damper fluid leakages typical occurs from, correct option is C, clearance between inner and outer tubes of damper. Next question is in a hydraulic power steering system the power steering pump is driven by, correct option is D, belt driven by crankshaft. Next question is the brake pedal during ABS operation, correct option is C, transmits slight kickback to the driver's foot. Next question is which of the following symptom is caused as result of brake disc run out, correct option is B, judger during brake. Next question is the time required for the fetching and execution of one simple machine instruction is, correct option is B, CPU cycle. Next question is NC contouring is an example of, correct option is A, continuous path positioning. Next 93rd question is which type of motor is not used in axis or spindle drive CNC machine tools, correct option is C, stepper motor. Next question is when NC processing is integrated with CAD system, the association of tool paths generated with the CAD geometric model is known as. So इस question में मैं sure नहीं हूँ. 94th and 95th question में I am not sure about the answer. If you know the answer correctly, then please comment in the comment box. It will help other people also. So next 96th question is the thickness of oil film at the surface of the slip gauges is of the order, correct option is D, 0.05 micron. Next question is which among us the following devices has maximum accuracy, correct option is D, optical projector. Next question is straight edges are used to check flatness, A is the correct option here. 99th question is which of the following causes whirling of shafts, correct option is A, non-homogeneity of the shaft material. So next question is when loaded, a helical torsion spring gets subjected to, correct option is C, torsional shear stress. Next question is famous personality Havaldar Sanjay Kumar belongs to which district of Himachal Pradesh? So here correct option is A, Bilaspur. Next is Suhi fair is celebrated in which district of Himachal Pradesh? So here correct option is C, Chamba. Next question is Hamir festival is celebrated at which place in Himachal Pradesh? So correct option is C, Naldehra. Next, Masroor rock cut temple is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? Correct option is C, Kangra. Next question is Losar festival is celebrated in which district of Himachal Pradesh? Correct option is B, Lahul Spiti. Next is Solang and Manalsu are tributaries of which river of Himachal Pradesh? Correct option is Bias. A is the correct option. Next question is Mulang Valley is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? Correct option is A, Lahul Spiti. 108th question is first Vidhan Sabha election was held in Himachal Pradesh in which year? Correct option is B, 1952. So next question is which district of Himachal Pradesh has highest urban population as per census 2011? Correct option is B, Shimla. Next question is the capital of ancient Kullu princely state was at which place? So correct option is D, Nagar. Next is the last ruler of Kunihar dominion of Himachal Pradesh was Hardev Singh. A is the correct option. Kasauli was founded in which year? So यहाँ पर 1842 इसका correct answer है, but यहाँ पर options में 1842 नहीं दिया गया है एंड इसके राउंड अबाउट जो ऑप्शन मिल रहा है यहाँ पर 1841 दैट इज़ बी ऑप्शन, बट जो करेक्टली है दैट इज़ 1842. बाकी आंसर की पे डिपेंड करता है. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मलौन फोर्ट इज लोकेटेड एट विच प्लेस इन हिमाचल प्रदेश? नालागढ़ इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गुरु गोबिंद सिंह विजिटेड मंडी इन विच ईयर? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 1685 AD. So D is the correct option here. Next is 115th question. Eternal University is located situated at which place in Himachal Pradesh? Badu Sahib. B is the correct option here. Next is which Indian bank has recently partnered with defense forces for providing customized banking services? Bank of Baroda. B is the correct option here. Next is who has been recently conferred with the Assocham Enterprise of the Century Award? Correct option is C, Ratan Tata. Next question is Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently laid foundation stone for the country's largest renewable energy park in which state? Correct option is B, Gujarat. Next question is which country has recently announced referendum to add climate goals in its constitution? A, France is the correct option here. Next question is in a certain code SOBER, sober, is written as RNADQ. How lotus can be written in that code? Correct option is A, KNSTR. Next question is next number in the number series 5, 6, 9, 14, 21 will be. So here C is the correct option, 30. Next is missing letters in the letter series. So here correct option will be C, ACACAB. So next question is if 1st October in a Sunday, then 1st November will be. So here correct option will be A, Wednesday. Next question is which Veda deals with the magical formula? So Atharv Veda is the correct option here, option C. Next is which Mauryan ruler fought the Kalinga war in 261 BC? Correct option is B, Ashoka. Next question is which Delhi Sultan invaded Devagiri in 1294 AD? Correct option is Jalaluddin Khilji. B is the correct option. Nikitan was a Russian merchant. C is the correct option. Shivaji's administration was called Ashtapradhan. Correct option is B. Next question is who was the Viceroy of India during Chauri Chaura incident 1922? Correct option is A, Lord Reading. Next question is 130th question. MS Gopal Krishnan is associated with which musical instrument? Correct option is violin. Next question is which planet has slowest revolution in solar system? B is the correct option, Neptune. Next is which is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere? So troposphere is the lowest layer of Earth atmosphere एंड ये सबसे क्लोजेस्ट होती है अर्थ के. नेक्स्ट इज विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट ओशियन? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, आर्कटिक ओशियन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लैंड फ्रंटियर्स ऑफ इंडिया आर अबाउट? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 15106 किलोमीटर. डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. विच इज द हाइएस्ट पीक ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश? सो हेयर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज कांगटो. सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर वॉज लॉन्च्ड इन विच ईयर? 1973. ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. 137th question is which part of Indian Constitution deals with the schedule and tribal area? Correct option is B, part 10th. And next question is which articles of Indian Constitution deals with the right of freedom? Correct option is article 19 to 22. Okay. Next question is who was the first vice president of India? Correct option is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. 140th question is X-ray was discovered by? Correct option is W.C. Wrongton. And next question is spirit is methyl alcohol. A is the correct option. Typhoid is caused by bacteria. D is the correct option. Antonym of virtuous is vicious. B is the correct option. One word substitution for a person who kills somebody especially for political reason is? Correct option is assassin. C is the correct option. 145th question is some people dashed from voting at the last elections. Some people abstained from voting at the last election. C is the correct option. Next question is meaning of the idiom Adam's alk is? Correct option is C, water. शयन का संधि विच्छेद है शे जमा अन. D is the correct option. बेशक में समास है अव्ययी भाव समास. A is the correct option. उदय का पर्यायवाची है D, आरोहण is the correct option. नाक में दम होना मुहावरे का अर्थ है तंग करना. B, तंग करना is the correct option. When two elastic bodies collide with each other, so here D, all of these is the correct option. Next question is an ideal machine is one whose efficiency is 100%. D is the correct option. The friction experienced by a body when in motion is known as dynamic friction. B is the correct option. The moment of inertia of a square of side A about an axis through its center of gravity is? Correct option is C, A raised to the power 4 upon 12. 155th question is the resultant of two forces P and Q is R. If Q is doubled, the new resultant is perpendicular to P, then correct option is B, Q is equal to R. Next question is the forces whose lines of actions are parallel to each other and act in the same directions are known as, correct option is C, like parallel forces. Next question is a ladder is resting on a rough ground and leaning against a smooth vertical wall. The force of friction will act, correct option is C, 0 at its upper end. Next question is which of the following statement is correct? Correct option is D, stress is directly proportional to strain within the elastic limit. Next question is 159th question is when a body is subjected to a direct stress tensile strength in one plane, then the normal stress on an oblique section of the body inclined at an angle theta to the normal of the section is, so here correct option is B, sigma cos square theta. Next question is the bending moment on a section is maximum where shear force is, correct option is C, changing sign. C is the correct option. Next question is which of the following statement is correct? Correct option is which of the following statement is correct? Correct option is B, a uniformly distributed load spreads uniformly over the whole length of a beam. Next question is a leaf spring is supported at the center and loaded at the ends. B is the correct option. The hoop stress in a thin cylindrical shell is, correct option is circumferential tensile strength. D is the correct option. 164th question is the buckling load for a given column depends upon all of these. D is the correct option. Fatigue test is carried out for all of these will be the correct option. D is the correct option. Next is rivets are generally specified by, correct option is shank diameter. C is the correct option. The object of caulking in a riveted joint is to make the joint, correct option is D, leak proof. Next question is with an increase in size of the tube, the rise or depression of liquid in the tube due to the surface tension will decrease. A will be the correct option. 169th question is a body floating in a liquid is said to be in neutral equilibrium if its meta center. So here correct option is A, coincides with its center of gravity. Last question is when a liquid is flowing through the pipe, the velocity of the liquid is maximum at the center and minimum near the walls. So here A will be the correct option. So that's all about this paper. If you liked my video and if it helped you, then please don't forget to like, comment and to share my channel, and keep supporting, keep motivating, as you can give your biggest support to us.